Hi, if you want to integrate Shopify with EDI, it's probably because your Shopify business is prospering and the volume of orders has increased. When that happens, your retail partners will demand an EDI connection. That is when you will need an EDI service to help you integrate EDI with Shopify. Let's find out how you can integrate Shopify with EDI. Shopify is a cloud based ERP software with API capabilities, so the best way today to integrate EDI is via API. API can make it very easy for modern developers to translate data from EDI to your Shopify account. All that you have to do is install webhooks inside Shopify and an EDI platform that can communicate events with each other, such as creation, modification, or deletion of assets, for example, a purchase order or an invoice. Zenbridge has webhooks for all major trading partners to connect with Shopify or any other internal software that you might be using, and it can also help you automate your EDI workflows. To learn more, visit our insights or schedule a demo where we would love to show you how Zenbridge can help you integrate EDI with your Shopify account. Happy integrations.